Banner stands are a popular and effective way to increase trade show traffic and promote your business or product. They are versatile, portable, and easy to set up, making them a great option for trade show exhibitors of all sizes and budgets. One of the main advantages of using banner stands at trade shows is that they can be used to draw attention to your booth and attract potential customers. They can be placed at the front of your booth, near the entrance, or in other high-traffic areas to catch the eye of attendees as they walk by. Another advantage of banner stands is that they can be customized to fit your brand and message. They can be printed with your logo, product images, or promotional text to help increase brand recognition and promote your products or services. Some banner stands even come with built-in lighting to make them even more visible in crowded trade show environments. Banner stands are also relatively inexpensive compared to other trade show displays. They come in a variety of sizes and styles, making them a great option for businesses of all sizes and budgets. They can be purchased or rented, so you can choose the option that works best for your business. To get the most out of your banner stands at a trade show, it's important to plan ahead. Make sure that your banner stands are set up in a high-traffic area and that they are positioned so that they can be easily seen from a distance. Consider using multiple banner stands to create a cohesive display that can be seen from all angles. In conclusion, banner stands are a great way to increase trade show traffic and promote your business or product. They are versatile, portable, and easy to set up, making them a great option for trade show exhibitors of all sizes and budgets. With proper planning, you can use banner stands to create an effective trade show display that will help you stand out from the crowd and attract potential customers.